Apple recently released a new Apple Pay feature called Apple Pay Later. This, just like the name suggests, allows you to buy something now and pay for it later. This concept is something I'm super familiar with because paying for it later is something that always happens to me after eating dairy. Stay tuned to this video and I'll break down what criteria you have to meet in order to be eligible for Apple Pay Later. This feature was initially rolled out in 2022 to a small pool of early adopters, and now it's available to the entire US. Once qualified, users have the ability to make purchases between $75 to $1,000 and pay for it another day. The purchase will be split into 4 equal interest-free payments over a 6-week period. And on the back end, Apple Pay is actually enabled by the MasterCard installment program. Now, in order to be eligible for Apple Pay, you need to be 18 years of age or older, living in the United States, and you must have a debit or credit card set up in Apple Pay. Once you've met all those criteria, you then have to apply for a loan within the Apple Wallet app. Once approved for this loan, you'll begin to see an Apple Pay Later option when you use Apple Pay at checkout. Now, they're saying this is Apple's way of competing more directly with PayPal's Buy Now, Pay Later option, but I want to hear from you guys in the comments. What do you think?